Social media advertising can grow your business faster than almost any other marketing strategy, but only if you know how to use it correctly. Introducing Social Media Advertising for Business from BizRocketHub.com, a step-by-step course designed to help entrepreneurs, creators, and small business owners learn how to run smarter ads across Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. Inside this course, you'll learn how to target the right audience, create attention-grabbing ads, write copy that converts, and track real results without wasting your advertising budget. Whether you're trying to generate leads, grow your brand, increase sales, or reach new customers online, this course gives you practical strategies you can start using immediately. No confusing marketing jargon, no overpriced agency secrets, just real-world advertising training designed for entrepreneurs trying to grow in today's digital world. Visit BizRocketHub.com today and start learning how to turn social media into a powerful business growth tool.